I have a commercial Maytag washer with a f25 code. The wiring configuration is different than what I have seen on the internet.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
6 years W1010920045.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the website will send you a phone call offer that is not from me. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? The model number is the lid at the rear of the opening on top loaders. If you open the washer lid, the model/serial tag is at the rear of the opening on the washer itself, and just inside the door on the face frame after the door is opened on front loaders.
W10192045. I don't want to call.
As stated in my first post, if you're referring to a phone call prompt, I did not send that to you. The website that we are using does, not I. The model number is the lid at the rear of the opening on top loaders. If you open the washer lid, the model/serial tag is at the rear of the opening on the washer itself, and just inside the door on the face frame after the door is opened on front loaders. And W10192045 is not a model number.
MHN30 Perboiser HL227578833.
F26 error code means the door switch circuit is open for 5 seconds while the door is locked. Possible causes: electrical connections from CCU, DLS2, to door switch and latch are damaged. Unplug the washer or disconnect power. Verify the electrical connection between CCU and door switch. If the door switch circuit fails to open or close, replace the door latch. Did the door lock open when the unit was working, or did someone try to open the door when it was on and running?
25 not 26.
Oh, my fault. F25 means, if the MCU is unable to properly detect motor speed, the washer shuts down. If a failure occurs during high-speed spin, the door remains locked for 2 minutes. Possible causes: damaged or poor contact in electrical connection from MCU to drive motor.
Where's the MCU and how do I verify?
Have you looked at the electrical connections on the MCU, motor control unit, to see if they are all tight? If you remove the front lower kick plate, the motor control is mounted on the washer base on the front left corner.
Doing it now.
Okay, great. The screws for the front kick plate are under the panel and 1/4 inch hex head external or T15 Torx bit internal heads.
There's a small 2-wire module and a big white module further in on left.
It is the big white one.
It has a cover. How do I remove?
The front has a door right where the wires attach to it. You can move the door flap aside. All you're doing is making sure the wires are connected to the motor control board.
All connected.
Okay, so if all the connections are on and secure, the manufacturer's technical data sheet says the MCU should be replaced. But they also show replace the MCU. If motor operation is not restored, replace the motor. So it is possible that when you replace the MCU you may still have the same issue. I know that is not what you wanted to hear, but that is the way they do some of these electronic controls. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. I can also give you the motor info if you would like that too. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me.
The motor info, please.
Okay, no problem. Click hurry.
How do I remove CPU?
It just clips onto the washer base. Here is a video showing how to replace the MCU. The video is not your model or part number, but it will show you how. It might help if I sent the video. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = MNLB4 Pejam.
Video didn't come through.
You should have gotten it now.
Do you have video for motor, and how do I request you when the parts come, and is there an extra charge for that?
Just reply back to me as you are now. It will come right to me only, and I will see as soon as I log on. And here is a video showing the drive motor being replaced. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = xjjx_QKGS5.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.